Hey YouTubies, today I'm going to show you a brand new collection called Stunt Racers. Here we have two different 2-packs. Here we have Lightning McQueen doing a tailspin, and King doing a side wheelie, Francesco doing a tailspin and Mater going backwards. And also, all these cars do pretty much have the same thing. They can perform 4 daredevil stunts, including nose spins, tail spins, side wheelies, and race backwards. And in fact, I already have a car myself, Jeff Corvette. I've done some testing with this one. Perhaps I'd rather show you how it works on the floor. Oops. Well, I still haven't perfected the side wheelies, but let's at least open these other ones up. Now this one came in a single pack doing a side wheelie. So let's try these two cars. Let's open them up first. So here are my 5 stunt racers. They're all 1/54 scale plastic cars full of paper stickers.
Kaya karot.
Okay, YouTubers, thanks for watching this review. I know these stunt racers are absolutely a lot of fun. Let me know when you find yours, because these are from the 2013 series. I got mine today at Target, and the single packs are $5. Well, the single packs are $6, and the double packs are $12. And also check out the London Rescue 12-pack, and the Michael Drifters, Lightning McQueen, Shoot to the Rookie, and Max Chanel. Thanks again, and see you next time.